Welcome to Car Vibes. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most distinctive and bold compact SUVs in the market, the Jeep Renegade. Known for its boxy design, rugged DNA, and unmistakable Jeep styling, the Renegade stands apart in a sea of curvy crossovers. It takes inspiration from its larger siblings while carving out its own identity as a city-friendly SUV with true off-road potential. Let's explore everything you need to know about the Jeep Renegade, from the inside to the outside, its performance, and what you can expect in terms of pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Jeep Renegade carries the unmistakable Jeep heritage. It sports the iconic 7-slot grille flanked by round headlamps, giving it a retro yet modern appearance. The LED headlights and signature daytime running lights add a contemporary touch, while still respecting the rugged design language that Jeep is known for. The front bumper is chunky, featuring functional air intakes and fog lamps that sit neatly within matte black surrounds, enhancing its off-road character. The squared wheel arches and high ground clearance lend the Renegade an athletic, trail-ready posture. From the side profile, the Renegade's boxy silhouette is complemented by short overhangs, a floating roof design, and muscular cladding. It rides on alloy wheels ranging from 16 to 19 inches depending on the variant, and roof rails come standard, emphasizing its adventurous personality. At the rear, the tailgate is upright and square, with X-pattern LED taillights, a nod to the classic jerry cans used in military Jeeps. The large rear bumper with skid plate detailing further reinforces its go-anywhere credentials. Despite its compact size, the Renegade manages to look tough and capable, and it's one of the few small SUVs that genuinely looks like it could handle more than just city streets. Stepping inside the Jeep Renegade, you're greeted by a cabin that's functional, youthful, and loaded with character. The dashboard is designed with a mix of ruggedness and modern flair. The central focus is the touchscreen infotainment system, available in either 7-inch or 8.4-inch sizes depending on the trim. It runs on Jeep's Uconnect system, which is known for its intuitive interface and smooth performance. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, and higher trims also include navigation, voice recognition, and connected car technology. The instrument cluster combines analog dials with a digital display in the center, providing essential driving information and vehicle stats. The air vents are circular with body-colored surrounds that match the exterior paint in some variants, giving it a cohesive and fun vibe. The steering wheel is thick, leather-wrapped on top trims, and houses controls for audio, cruise control, and voice functions. Seating in the Renegade is surprisingly spacious for a compact SUV. The front seats offer ample cushioning and lateral support, making long drives comfortable. The rear seats can accommodate 2 adults comfortably, though 3 might be a squeeze on longer journeys. Legroom and headroom are generous, thanks to the upright design and high roofline. The quality of materials varies by trim, with higher-end models featuring soft-touch dashboards, leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting. There are also several thoughtful storage solutions, including deep door bins, a center armrest storage box, and cup holders that can hold larger bottles. The boot space in the Renegade stands at around 351 liters, which is decent for the segment. The rear seats fold in a 60:40 split to increase cargo volume, and the loading lip is low and wide, making it easy to slide in heavy items. Practical touches like a reversible cargo floor and tie-down hooks show Jeep's attention to utility. Under the hood, the Jeep Renegade comes with a range of engine options depending on the market. In international markets, the most common choices include a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 177 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 9-speed automatic transmission. There are also diesel variants and plug-in hybrid options available in select regions. The turbo petrol is lively and responsive, offering solid acceleration and highway performance. The 9-speed automatic gearbox ensures smooth shifts and keeps the engine in its power band for better efficiency. What truly sets the Renegade apart is its off-road capability. While many competitors are strictly front-wheel drive city SUVs, the Renegade offers Jeep's Trailhawk variant with 4x4 capability, skid plates, hill descent control, and off-road driving modes like snow, mud, and rock. It may be compact, but it's one of the most capable off-roaders in its class, able to tackle trails that would make other small SUVs hesitate. On-road, the Renegade offers a balanced ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and potholes with ease. The steering is light but accurate, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Highway stability is good, and the cabin remains relatively quiet at cruising speeds. Braking performance is solid, with disc brakes all around and safety systems like ABS, EBD, and brake assist coming as standard. Speaking of safety, the Jeep Renegade scores high in this department. It comes equipped with up to 7 airbags, a reinforced high-strength steel body structure, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and autonomous emergency braking are available on higher trims or as optional packages. As for pricing, the Jeep Renegade is positioned as a premium offering in the compact SUV segment. While exact prices vary by region, you can expect the starting price to hover around $26,000 for the base model, going up to $33,000 or more for fully loaded trims like the Trailhawk or Limited. In India or other developing markets, localized pricing would be adjusted accordingly if Jeep decides to introduce it, potentially between 18 Indian rupees to 24 Indian rupees lakhs, depending on features and variants. To sum up, the Jeep Renegade offers a unique proposition. It blends iconic Jeep styling, real off-road ability, a feature-packed and characterful cabin, and solid safety into a compact package. While it may not offer the largest space or the lowest price, it delivers on brand promise and lifestyle appeal like few others in its segment. For those who want a small SUV that doesn't follow the crowd and has the guts to go beyond the pavement, the Renegade is a compelling choice. Whether you're a city dweller looking for something distinctive or an adventurer seeking weekend getaways, the Jeep Renegade gives you a taste of Jeep's legacy in a small, stylish, and capable form.